Did anybody ever tell you that accent is super important when you speak with native Japanese speakers? You might think, I don't have to be perfect, it's not my first language. And I totally agree. But if you want to make Japanese friends or want to speak Japanese fluently, you have to work on your accent. If you're a super beginner or just started learning Japanese, it's even better to start focusing on accent now because it's much harder to fix later. I'll go over some example sentences later in the video, so make sure to stick around till the end. I have many foreign friends living in Japan, but with only a few of them, I speak Japanese. I used to work at a Japanese language school, but even there, I mostly spoke English with the students. Why? Was it because they couldn't speak Japanese fluently? Maybe that's one reason, but I also felt that I couldn't really connect with them when speaking Japanese. What made me feel that way? The answer is accent. As a native Japanese speaker, I've noticed that when someone has a strong accent, it can subtly affect how close I feel during a conversation, not because I'm judging them, but because it changes the natural rhythm and emotional feel of the language. You might be thinking, oh no, that's me, I'm trying so hard, you're being so rude. I get that. I've learned other languages too, so I really understand how hard it is to master a native-like accent. But that's exactly why I made this video, so we can improve together. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button for more lessons. It's totally okay to make mistakes. You don't need to be perfect. But let's aim to speak Japanese naturally, because that's what will help you connect more deeply with people. Let me give you 2 quick key points about Japanese accent. Point 1. The pitch accent system. Japanese uses a pitch accent system, not a stress-based one like English. In English, we stress syllables with more volume or length, but in Japanese, the meaning can change based on high or low pitch. For example, the word hashi can mean different things depending on the pitch. Hashi, pitch is flat or rising, means bridge. Let's practice together with me.
橋、橋、橋、橋、
The pitch starts high, then drops means chopsticks.
箸、箸、箸、
Meaning edge has the same pitch as bridge, so you understand it through context. Point 2. Mora versus syllable. Understanding mora, or haku in Japanese, will really help your pronunciation. In Japanese, moras are the smallest rhythmic units of sound. They usually match up with kana characters, and each one takes up equal time when spoken. Take this word,
お父さん、
the meaning is father. In Hiragana, it's written
とうさん、
that's 5 moras. But in English syllables, it might sound like just 3, oto-san. Even small sounds like the small tsu, n, and long vowels like u are all counted as full moras. Another example.
買った、
The meaning is bought. In Hiragana,
買った、
that's 3 moras, but it's just 2 syllables. How about this one?
買った、
The meaning is cutter. It has 4 moras,
買った、
but it also sounds like 2 syllables in English. So both words have 2 syllables, but the number of moras is different, and that difference changes the meaning. Leave a voice comment with
買った、
and I'll check it for you. I hope this video helps with your Japanese learning. It's okay if it's still a little tricky. Keep watching and learning at your own pace, and don't forget to subscribe for more.
またね